In this video, we'll show how to add your bank account so you can receive reimbursement payments. In order to receive reimbursement payments from RIMB, you must connect your personal bank account and verify it. To add your bank account, you'll click on your initials here on the top right, and then you're going to click on Settings, then this Banking tab, and then you can click Add Personal Account. Here's where you can select your bank and follow the prompts to connect it. And if you do not see your bank, you could click the Add Account Details button to manually add your bank details. After you save your bank details and verify it, you are ready to submit reimbursement requests. Now that your payment details are set, let's walk through submitting an out-of-pocket reimbursement from start to finish.